Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the values of k are solution of this equation and which of the values are extraneous roots. So uh, I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. And here the very first thing we are going to do is first you see that 4 to the power of k be the common term, so that here we need to take common 4 to the power of k. So when we take common 4 to the power of k, we get here the remaining values are, from here we get 1 plus from here we get 1 is equals to 16. And now you see here we have this is 4 to the power of k into 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to 16. So here you see that 2 is divisible by both of the sides, so that here we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, this will be written as 4 to the power of k into 2 divided by 2, and this will also divided by 2. And further in the next step we have this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we obtained here 4 to the power of k is equals to, this is 2 times 9 becomes 18, and we will get here sorry, here we have little mistake, this is our 16, so this is the 16, and when we divide by here it will becomes 2 times 8 becomes here 16, so we get 4 to the power of k is equals to 8. And now here, for in order to find the values of k, we need to write the base of this term and 8 into the form of prime factors, and we know that the prime factors of 4 are 2 square, or in other words we write 4 is equals to 2 square, and we write 8 is equals to 2 cubed. So here we replace these two values on this equation, and it will be written as, so we write 4 as 2 square and its whole power k, and we write 8 as 2 cubed. So further in the next step, here in the left hand side we use the exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this rule, we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 2k is equals to 2 to the power of 3. So here we use another exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n, this means that if bases on both of the sides are same, then we equate its exponent. So this implies that m is equals to n. So according to this rule, you see here the bases on both of the sides are same, so that we equate its exponents, and its exponents is 2k is equals to 3. And for the values of k, we need to remove this 2 from the left hand side, so that we divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will becomes here 2k divided by 2 is equals to 3 divided by 2. You see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get k is equals to 3 divided by 2. So this is the value of k which we get here. And further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution of given equation, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement here. So it is 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k is equals to 16, and here we substitute the value of k on this equation. But before substituting this value, we need one step here, and we know that 4 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k equals 2 times of 4 to the power of k is equals to 16. And here when we divide both of the sides by 2, then you get 4 to the power of k is equals to 8. Okay, so here I can just put the value of k because this is the simplified form of the given question statement. Now we put this value here, it will becomes 4 to the power of k, and the value of k is 3 divided by 2 is equals to 8 or not. This is the our claim. And you see here, we write this 4 as 2 square and its whole power is 3 by 2 is equals to 8. You see here, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8. Okay, because these two are cancelled by each other, and we get here 2 to the power of 3. And we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8 equals to 8. This means that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we finally conclude about that the value of k is equals to 2 by 3 is satisfied over this question statement. So we have the final solution set of the given question is 3 divided by 2. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.